Students. Hello students, today we will do the angle sum property of triangle. You have proved it in your earlier classes through activity. Now we will prove it here. Sum of angles of triangle is 180 degree. This is the theorem number 6.7 in your NCERT book. First of all, let's draw the diagram. Name it as P, Q and R. Angle 1, angle 2 and angle 3. Let PQR be given triangle so what we have to prove here, sum of angles of triangle is 180 degree. Here three angles are formed, angle 1, angle 2 and angle 3. So we have to prove angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3 is equal to 180 degree. So for this, draw a line XPY parallel to QR through vertex P. So let's draw the line parallel to QR through vertex P. Why we draw this parallel line to QR? So that we can use the results of parallel line and transversal line which we have done in the last video. So this here angle is formed, here also new angle is formed. Name it as angle 4 and this as a 5. So what you observe? Observe here sum of angle 4, angle 1 and angle 5 is equal to what? Is equal to 180 degree. Why? Sum of angle 1, angle 4, angle 5 is equal to 180 degree because straight line angle. Now observe angle 4 is equal to angle 2. Why? Angle 4 is equal to angle 2. Reason? See, XY is parallel to QR and PQ is transversal line. So angle 4 and angle 2 are alternate interior angle. And in the last video we have done that alternate interior angles are equal when two lines are parallel. So angle 4 equal to angle 2. Reason is alternate interior angle. Similarly, angle 5 and angle 3 are also equal because of alternate interior angle. Now what we will do? Put the value of angle 4 and angle 5 in equation number 1. So put the value of angle 4 is equal to angle 2. So 1 implies angle 2 plus angle 1 as it is plus angle 5 is equal to angle 3. So we put the value of angle 5. So this becomes, rearrange them, angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3 is equal to 180 degree. So this is all we have to prove. We proved sum of angles of triangle is 180 degree. Here completes the proof of the theorem. Next we will do the 6.8 theorem in your book. Theorem number 6.8, which state that if a side of triangle if a side of triangle is produced, then the interior angle then so formed exterior angle is equal to sum of two opposite interior angles, Let us understand the statement with the help of diagram. Name it as a PQR. So, the theorem says that if a side of triangle is produced, so we will produce one side of triangle. So, we produced QR up to S. Then the theorem says exterior angle so formed, this is exterior angle when we produced QR to S. Exterior angle is equal to sum of two opposite interior angles. So this angle is opposite to this, also this angle is opposite to this, but not this angle is opposite to this, because these two angles are adjacent to each other. So what we have to prove, name it as a 1, 2, 3 and 4. So we have to prove angle 4, which is exterior angle, is equal to sum of two opposite interior angle, that is angle 1 and angle 2. So how we will prove this theorem? We have the result, angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3 is equal to 180 degree, which we proved the previous one. Reason, angle sum property of triangle, Also angle 3 plus angle 4 is equal to 180 degree. Why so? Because it is a linear pair. Now right hand side of both equations are equal, so their left hand side will also be equal. 1 and 2 implies angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3 is equal to angle 3 plus angle 4, because right hand side equal, so their left hand side will also be equal. Now cancel the angle 3 from both sides. What we left? Angle 1 plus angle 2 is equal to angle 4. See, so we prove the result that exterior angle is equal to the sum of two opposite exterior angles only when the side is produced. That exterior angle is equal to sum of two opposite interior angles. So using this result, you can solve your exercise 6.3. Now I will solve one question of exercise 6.3. That is question number 3. So we have given AB parallel to DE and two angles BAC and CDE. We have to find out the angle DCE. So how we will solve the question? We have given AB parallel to DE, and you can see AE is transversal line. So we can use the result of parallel line. Angle BAC. This angle is equal to this angle. Why so? Because alternate interior angle. Alternate interior angle. Now value of angle BAC is 35 degree. So angle DEC is also 35 degree. Now we have to find out angle DCE. This angle. How we will find this angle? We already done that angle sum property of triangle, which state that sum of angles of triangle is 180 degree. So angle CDE plus angle DEC plus angle DCE is equal to 180 degree because of angle sum property of triangle. Now put the value of CDE, that is 53, DEC, that is 35 degree, and DCE is all that we have to find out. So sum of these 55 plus 3 8, 88. DCE is equal to 180 degree. Now you know how to solve this equation. Subtract 92 degree. So DCE angle is 92 degree. So in the similar way, you can solve all the questions of exercise 6.3. Thank you, students.